What gives you a great taste of coffee? Quick, or instant from a kettle? Tim Hortons. If you don't know what Tim Hortons is, it's a Canada coffee shop. And I heard that Tim Hortons is going to open a store in the US. I'm not sure if that's true or not. Tim Hortons is a Canada coffee shop. If you don't know, Tim Hortons is a hockey player played for Toronto Maple Leafs in Canada. So Tim Hortons hockey player he opened up Tim Hortons coffee shop, and it just went viral in Canada. It's crazy. Just something simple like that, it can change the whole country. To give you coffee, bagels, sandwiches, tea. It's crazy. So, anyways, that's Tim Hortons K-Cups. Then, anyways, so what gives you a good taste of coffee? Keurig, Mr. Coffee. So Keurig, does Keurig give you the best coffee taste, or does the kettle? So let's take it. Let's give it the test. The water's already in, and my instant paddle is in there already. Let's put K-cup and add and push the button. What gives you the best coffee taste? I just only have this two options. Keurig machine or instant coffee. I would start with this one first because it's already going, and then I'll get this going, and then I'll do the instant coffee, and then I'll do the comparison taste test at the end of the video. And I'm using a Tim Hortons coffee cup, and then this one too. Does the tea kettle give you the best coffee taste? And it just shuts off when it's done. So, this is from the machine. This is from the tea kettle. I'll get back to you when it's done. Coffee machine or the tea kettle? Which one do you think is going to taste better? So let's do the coffee taste test. Coffee from the Keurig machine. .5. Still gives it a good taste, but you can still taste the machine. You can still taste the machine through the coffee from the tube, water into the coffee, and then out of the spout, you can taste the machine taste, right? It's still a fantastic taste. Coffee is awesome when you put coffee cream on it. Yeah. And then here's the instant coffee kettle. Hot. It's hot. Smooth. So I'll give it 9.5. Smooth. Same type of coffee, but a small tweak of a taste. You can smell the machine in the coffee, but the tube, right? So it's still fantastic. 8.5, 8.5, 9.5. Fantastic, and yeah. See you guys in the next one. Stay tuned, and yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna go do an alien trail in the next video, so stay tuned for that. Hopefully I can manage to go there. Hopefully there's not too much people working on it, and then stay tuned. Yeah.